Hello, everyone. For a second recording for the nervous system, I did a dissection of a cow's eye. So here's my piece of paper. It says my name, Brian Page, and the date today is July 15th of 2021. So I dissected the cow eye. I'm going to show you the different components of the cow's eye. So starting with the cornea. Then we're going to look at the iris, the pupil, the anterior cavity, the posterior cavity, the scleria, the choroid, the retina, the aqueous humor, the vitreous humor, and finally the optic nerve. So my eye's in three different portions here. So we'll start with the anterior portion of the eye. So here's the anterior portion of the eye. So starting with the outer cornea, this is the cornea here. And then inside here, surrounding that like black type area is the iris. Gives the eye the color here. Interior here, here's the lens, and in the middle there's the oops, can't see it. In the middle, there's the lens here, and there's the pupil in the middle there. Hard to see. Okay. Lens. There it is. Lens, pupil in the middle. And this is the anterior cavity, and filling the anterior cavity is actually the aqueous humor, which kind of drizzled out on my dissection here. So here's the posterior section of the eye here, and the scleria is the white surrounding the eye, and then the choroid is the next section in between. And then in the middle here, there is the retina. You can see I pulled it out, which is right in the middle there, which is the back of the eye, which has all the rods, cones, so we could have our vision here. Within this section, within this middle section, there's the vitreous humor, which we were supposed to be able to pull out, but I really had no vitreous humor actually there. So it was hard, so I don't know if I just got a bad sample or I don't know what's going on, but within the posterior of the eye, it's composed of the vitreous humor, or at least it was supposed to. And last but not least, on the back of the eye here, see there's the optic nerve, which connects the eye to the brain via the optic nerve. So that's all we had to talk about as far as the dissection of the eye. I don't think it was as fun as the brain, but some good stuff. So until next time, hope you enjoyed this video and have a good day.